New planting beds with mulch next to the foundation significantly raise the risk of termite invasion and should be addressed during post-construction termite treatment. For new planting beds close to the foundation, start by removing organic mulch within a minimum of 6 inches from the foundation and replace it with washed gravel or decorative rock to create a non-nutritive buffer that limits termite access and moisture retention. When applying a termiticide, use a product labeled for subterranean termite control and perform a continuous treated soil trench along the foundation edge and the soil adjacent to the planting bed, making sure the treatment reaches the labeled depth so the chemical forms an effective barrier. Always follow label rates and safety directions. Consider non-repellent liquid termiticides because they allow termites to pass through treated soil and transfer the product to the colony, though they require correct application pressure and consistent trenching to be effective. Install monitoring and bait stations near the beds, but offset from irrigation lines and plant root zones so the bait remains accessible and not compromised by moisture. Check stations at least quarterly and replace bait according to the product instructions. Choose low moisture, native plantings, and landscape designs that promote rapid surface drainage away from the foundation to reduce conditions that favor termite foraging and wood decay organisms. Schedule a post-construction treatment review within 1 year and at regular intervals thereafter, documenting soil treatment depth, product used, and any adjustments to irrigation or mulch practices. Common mistakes include leaving a high organic mulch layer right against the foundation, which keeps soil moist and attracts termites, so remove that mulch and maintain a gravel buffer. Another issue is incorrect termiticide trench depth or discontinuous application, which creates gaps in the barrier, so retrench to labeled depth and verify continuity along the entire foundation and bed interface. People also compromise baits and station effectiveness by placing them in saturated or root-packed zones, so relocate stations to stable, drier positions and maintain quarterly inspections. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on termite prevention and landscape retrofits, and it helps contractors find project leads in their area. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical tips and real-world experiences about treating planting beds near foundations.